guys, this is Nina and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video is I'm gonna show you how I DIY my hair serum because a lot of you guys are asking me how I make my hair healthy kasi hindi naman siya healthy kasi dry na siya. Ang ginawa ko, I search for DIY hair serum and then I just follow the instructions. I'm gonna show you later how, and then I just put it every night, every morning, just like with your mga skincare routine. I also have a hair care routine. So I'm gonna show you how, so let's go. watching my video, and I hope na gawin nyo to if you're bleaching your hair. But before you bleach your hair, make sure na gawin nyo to because this will save your hair. This will save your frizzy hair. Also, tag me if you did this DIY hair serum. This will save your hair, I guess, kasi it did save my hair. Hindi na siya naging frizzy kasi when you bleach your hair, it frizz your hair. So, this one, it will tame it. And ngayon naman, as you can see, hindi naman siya nag-frizz. Also, I straighten my hair, that's why. Pero, whenever I don't straighten my hair, hindi na siya yung parang buhag-hag. It's always like ganitong straight na hair. And I'll see you in my next video. Hey guys, this is Nina and welcome back to my channel. Why my hair serum? Because a lot of you guys are asking me or messaging me paano ko nagagawa yung healthy ko. Paano ko nagagawa yung hair ko na healthy. What I do, so I'm gonna show you kung ano yung ginagawa ko sa hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nina. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nina, and well, so let's go to my video. So let's go to my DIY hair serum.